It is September 16th. This is Grandman at McManus Meadows. Um, Coming out just a little later today, checking on the water. Cows are all here in the escape lane. Um, Looks like they've drank a lot of the water out of the smaller trough. Just gonna move them real quick. Little further on in lane number 8, gonna make an assessment of whether to give them 2 paddocks today or just 1. We'll see how the grass is looking. Another beautiful day in December. I'm sure the grass is still growing. Clover is for sure. Um, I'll be back. One of the things I've started doing is making sure the smaller trough is full before I head out, just to give a little more room for the bigger trough. Cows are all hanging out here. Oh. Hey Millie, you ready? Cows are all hanging out at the mineral feeder today. Morning, JB. Morris. Morris is slobbering a little bit. Hey, Goggles. I'm sure they're all going to come. Yep, Goggles is to my left. Quite a bit of clover in this field. Then I unroll the bale. Doesn't look like they ate much of it. Put a little carbon down. I left the cow dog up at the shack. He's not happy about that. Here we go, though. All right, here we go. Goggles is in. Ginger is in. Here comes JB and Millie. Yeah, I may come back later and see how they do. Quite a bit of grass here, but it might be a 2-move day today. I do have another bale at the far end of the lane 8 here to unroll. So we'll see how the rest of this week goes. Thanks for tuning in. It is December 17th. This is Grand Man at McManus Meadows. Yeah, another walk down, a little later in the day. Lots of activity. We are in lane 8, 2 more lanes to go. Only did one move yesterday. I was watching the cows. The heads were down, and now they're all grazing, which is great. Oh, sorry, they're not grazing. They're chilling, which means their bellies are full. So it'll be time to get them up and on to the next paddock. So check the water, and we'll be back. Cows are favoring the smaller trough, seems like. But yeah, we'll see. There they are, way over there. Just chilling behind that bale. Yeah, just walking through. Cows are all lying down. JB's in front of the whale tail. Wonder if I can make that my thumbnail for tomorrow. It's amazing how thumbnails drive the number of people that watch the videos. Goggles and Millie are up. And 2 little bulls are not getting up very quick. So Morris is still chilling. JB's chilling. I guess this is the way it's supposed to be, right? You want cows that don't pay too much attention to you when you walk through them. For this regenerative farming, you want a smaller frame so they finish well on grass. And then you want to train them to polywire. And train them on the expectation, I guess, that when you come, something good's going to happen. And here comes the goodness. Ginger and Goggles are the first in. Here comes Morris and JB. And Millie's right on their heels. Yeah, this paddock's not looking that great. I'll walk back through the grass that I've left them and see what it looks like. Be back in a bit. Well, lane 8 is quite a bit wider here, and it keeps getting wider as I go toward the road. May think about that. I don't know if you can see the grass that I'm walking through. It's not great. There are some spots that where I am right now that look good. A lot of fescue popping, but then it gets bad. So hopefully next year we'll have more cows and a lot more grass. So we'll be doing about the same thing, just producing more. And here in lane number 8, that was lane 9 that we just walked through. Lane 8, we unrolled some hay. There still looks like there's a little bit left to eat here as we walk back toward the water in the escape lane. I would have thought they would have eaten more of this hay, but not too worried one way or the other. It's going to add a lot of carbon to our pasture, and I'm assuming it'll come back strong next year. So, but we'll see. It's not a little bit of delayed gratification gets exercised when you're farming. So now chickens, they produce eggs, so the delay is not that great. We're enjoying some farm fresh eggs right now. Thanks for tuning in.
That's the end for today. Thanks for watching. We'll continue to share our journey at Grandman Ranch.